Gallimimus, Gallimimus, is a genus of theropod dinosaur that lived in what is now Mongolia during the late Cretaceous period, about 70 million years ago, Maya. Several fossils in various stages of growth were discovered by Polish Mongolian expeditions in the Gobi Desert of Mongolia. During the 1960s, a large skeleton discovered in this region was made the holotype specimen of the new genus and species Gallimimus bullatus in 1972. The generic name means chicken mimic, referring to the similarities between its neck vertebrae and those of the galliforms. The specific name is derived from bulla, a golden capsule worn by Roman youth, in reference to a bulbous structure at the base of the skull of Gallimimus. At the time it was named, the fossils of Gallimimus represented the most complete and best preserved ornithomimid, ostrich dinosaur, material yet discovered, and the genus remains one of the best known members of the group. Gallimimus is the largest known ornithomimid. Adults were about 6 meters, 20 feet, long, 1.9 meters, 6 feet 3 in, tall at the hip and weighed about 440 to 450 kilograms, 970 to 990 pounds. As evidenced by its relative ornithomimus, it would have had feathers. The head was small and light with large eyes that faced to the sides. The snout was long compared to other ornithomimids, although it was broader and more rounded at the tip than in other species. Gallimimus was toothless with a keratinous, horny, beak, and had a delicate lower jaw. Many of the vertebrae had openings that indicate they were pneumatic, air-filled. The neck was proportionally long in relation to the trunk. The hands were proportionally the shortest of any ornithomimosaur and each had 3 digits with curved claws. The forelimbs were weak while the hindlimbs were proportionally long. The family Ornithomimidae is part of the group Ornithomimosauria. Anserimimus, also from Mongolia, is thought to have been the closest relative of Gallimimus. As an ornithomimid, Gallimimus would have been a fleet, or cursorial, animal, using its speed to escape predators. Its speed has been estimated at 42 to 56 kilometers per hour, 29 to 34 miles per hour. It may have had good vision and intelligence comparable to rat-eyed birds. Gallimimus may have lived in groups, based on the discovery of several specimens preserved in a bone bed. Various theories have been proposed regarding the diet of Gallimimus and other ornithomimids. The highly mobile neck may have helped locate small prey on the ground, but it may also have been an opportunistic omnivore. It has also been suggested that it used small columnar structures in its beak for filter feeding in water, though these structures may instead have been ridges used for feeding on tough plant material, indicative of a herbivorous diet. Gallimimus is the most commonly found ornithomimosaur in the Nimict Formation, where it lived alongside its relatives Anserimimus and Deinocheirus. Gallimimus was featured in the movie Jurassic Park, in a scene that was important to the history of special effects, and in shaping the common conception of dinosaurs as bird-like animals.